nyame bia ni ho asasi so asasi ase onu tumi ese nda wase na manda papa so ase Reverend Omuno so last time Fred Jampire pa ti papa oso na mama me da wase
papa se oti
ai ti papa nyame hira pa se ne oyema da no nana mo ma hina na da wase se yeso konkonya fia oso di kakra so fom na ode Bible part ayechi afesu so offer dancing ya dancing so futu all the time offer PV dancing also be enya obi say PV on life yes to offer also so Danny day na that was you see you dirty for so say Bible pa mo body tire all the time na and nefi ne kono me be heavy on the issue of galamsey I can't want sempa.
Yes. In fact, there's a story from.
Yes.
There's a story from Obuasia.
And I say, media generals so this man.
It is.
Yes.
Yes.
It kind agenda.
Yes. One thing I was say, you may any brave one because.
Yes.
How a man for be emboldened. I could dream in Munya.
Say John him.
Eddie. A sample for a Japadi and yes. And when I saw the video, I was like,
because how it won't be no man can say winchro. You bet me the critique overhead there were hanging. You bet me asasuluku we are singing. If galamsey continue in this country, baby a dear be drew no. And say John, I will be very heavy on it. And I'll be very blunt. Because you're penny for no matter. Bosha omo hye nyina no aye na yes aye na and omo ntimi nyi adwen free so Akoma FM 87.9 bibia ni ho a won say politicians no omo adopt some strategy bi o
oh yeah
omo ya no be some dia bi no dey you adwen free so boa.
No, but say galamsey for how long can you continue to switch the discussion?
She say any evidence. Audio and video evidence say NDC and NPP na no galamsey no eboa party no. O see NPP time omo can see the koboa party boa. And NDC time so any evidence say omo so the boa party. We have audio.
Oh yeah,
we have video.
Sorry,
see Franco Boa party. She say no. Per omo ankrofo ni mu bi ensem omo ka no. Galamsey no mo de omo party no. All right. Inti amount ekona edin. All right. It no matter how we beautify our city, no matter the bridges you be build it, no matter schools you be see, no matter enyeme bia ye be ye. If we continue to allow indiscriminate destruction of the environment, because what can now one specific swa na kamya kwa say mining ye debi mining die nyame de ade na maye enti o se ididi but kwan a ye jai ma nipa ni mu bi fa so tu no indiscriminately say forest ebunwegu okay me pacho me wuremu ano na say ye de no beto ho ya kwaba
okay ma na me person ye production
me person me distort
no nti we work on obuase de no then we link it to this discussion because obi a wo hu e bia na obu ho a na dwen call nkomo aye
ba na me busa say pe wo plan no nka memfa we need to and I am to
come and work on that.
We'll come and work on that.
We'll come and work on that.
And
then we have another one to talk about.
But in person distort it.
And today emfa portals ni nkona. Adam koma ibedi. We'll come we'll settle on.
Martin, it is a
illegal mining.
It mama